Children, in this class I am going to explain chapter 7 coordinate geometry, exercise 7.1, distance between 2 points, and based on that concept some conceptual problems. Now let us see how to find the distance between 2 points in a plane. See here, A and B are 2 points in a plane. Let A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 are any 2 points in a plane as shown in the figure. Now P and Q are 2 points on x-axis. AP and BQ are perpendicular to x-axis. So here the distance from the origin to P is OP is x1, and the distance from origin to the Q is OQ is x2. Now PQ is equal to OQ minus OP is x2 minus x1, and BR distance is equal to QB minus QR is y2 minus y1 distance. Now join A and B. Here we can see one right angled triangle, that is ABR. So in right angle triangle ABR, angle R is equal to 90 degrees here. So by using Pythagoras theorem, now we will find the distance between AB. So by Pythagoras theorem, formula hypotenuse square is here AB square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, means AR square plus BR square. Here AR distance is x2 minus x1 whole square plus BR square distance is y2 minus y1 whole square. So now AB is equal to, this square will goes that right hand side, then it will be root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the distance between 2 points formula is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here some formula about distance between 2 points. Now first one. If the 2 points in a plane have the same abscissa A x comma y1 and B x comma y2, then the distance between A and B is modulus of y1 minus y2 units. Next, second formula. If the points in a plane have the same ordinate A x1 comma y and B x2 comma y, then the distance between A and B is modulus of x1 minus x2 units. Third one, if the distance between in a plane A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2, then the distance between A and B is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And fourth one, the distance of point x comma phi from the origin is root of x square plus y square. So based on this formulae, now we will see some textual problems now. Page number 162. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. First problem, 3 comma 8 comma 6 comma 8. Now observe these points. Here y coordinates are same. So the distance between two points formula is modulus of x1 minus x2. So here x1 is 3 minus x2 is 6. So answer minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 is equal to 3 units. Second problem. Minus 4 comma minus 3 minus 8 comma minus 3. In these 2 points, here y coordinates are same. So the distance between 2 points is modulus of x1 minus x2. Here modulus of x1 is minus 4 minus x2 is minus 8. So minus 4 plus 8 is equal to modulus of 4 is nothing but 4 units. Now third problem, 3 comma 4 and 3 comma 8. Here x coordinates are same. So the distance between 2 points is modulus of y1 minus y2 formula. Modulus of y1 minus y2 means 4 minus 8. Is modulus of minus 4 is equal to 4 units. Next fourth bit, minus 5 comma minus 8 minus 5 comma minus 12. Observe these 2 points. Here x coordinates are same, minus 5 minus 5. So the distance between 2 points is modulus of y1 minus y2 modulus of minus 8 minus of minus 12. So minus 8 plus 12 modulus of 4 is equal to 4 units. How can you find distance between 2 points located in different quadrants? Here, by using distance formula, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square formula. We will find the distance between 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 in different quadrants. Now first bit, Ramu says the distance of a point p x comma y from the origin O 0 comma 0 is root of x square plus y square. Do you agree with Ramu or not? Why? This is the question now. So solution, this statement is true because the distance between origin 0 comma 0 point and given p point x comma y, then we apply formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then given value substitute in this formula, we get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So answer x minus 0 whole square is nothing but x square, y minus 0 whole square is y square. So this is correct. Second bit. Ramu also writes the distance formula as root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is y. Yes, it is also correct because x1 minus x2 whole square is same as x2 minus x1 whole square, and also y1 minus y2 whole square is same as y2 minus y1 whole square. So both are equal. Now question is find the distance between minus 1 comma 3, b minus 4 comma 4 and round off 2 decimals. Given points here, one comma minus 3, b minus 4 comma 4. So write x1 y1 x2 y2. We know distance between 2 points formula, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So root of x2 minus x1 is minus 4 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 4 minus of minus 3 whole square. So root of minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 whole square plus 4 plus 3 whole square is 7 square. It is answer 5 square 25, 7 square is 49. So root of 25 plus 49, answer 74 and root of 74 is equal to 8.60 approximate value. Now exercise 7.1, first bit. Find the distance between the following pair of points. So first bit 2 comma 3. Let A is equal to 2 comma 3 and B is equal to 4 comma 1. So write x1 y1 x2 y2. Now we know distance formula. Distance between 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square formula. So root of x2 is here 4 minus x12 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 1 minus 3 whole square. So root of 4 minus 2 whole square is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 whole square is minus 2 whole square. So root of 2 square plus 4 plus 4 is equal to root 8 answer. Next, second bit. Given points, let a minus 5 comma 7 and b is equal to minus 1 comma 3. So x1 y1 x2 y2. Now distance formula. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So root of x2 minus x1 is minus 1 minus of minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 3 minus 7 whole square. Root of minus 1 plus 5 is 4 whole square plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4 whole square. So root of 4 square is 16 plus 4 square 16. Root 32. Now third problem. Let a is equal to minus 2 comma minus 3, b is equal to 3 comma 2. So x1 y1 x2 y2. AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to root of x2 minus x1 3 minus of minus 2 plus y2 minus y1 2 minus of minus 3 whole square. 3 minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus into minus plus 3 whole square. So root of 3 plus 2 whole square is 5 square plus 5 square is root of 25 plus 25 is equal to root 50 answer. Now fourth question. Let a comma b minus a comma minus b x1 y1 x2 y2. So ab is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square formula. So root of x2 minus x1 minus a whole square plus minus b whole square. Root of minus a minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square. Root of 4a square plus 4a square 4b square. So take common 4 into a square plus b square. Now answer is 2 root of a square plus b square. Now second problem. Find the distance between the 2 points. Same formula. So given origin O 0 comma 0 and let P point P 36 comma 15. So write x1 y1 x2 y2. Now OP distance formula. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now given value substitute in this formula. x2 36 minus x1 0 whole square plus y2 15 minus y1 0 whole square. So 36 minus 0 whole square is 36 square plus 15 minus 0 whole square is 15 square. 36 square root of 1296 plus 15 square is 225. So root of 1521 is equal to 39 units. Thank you.